Hi folks, how are you all doing today? Today we're going to learn about how to create a music player app, right? This is going to be interesting and fun because who don't like music and now we are creating a music player, right? So it's pretty much simple, a simple music player with very simple features we are going to create, okay? And yeah, so let's quickly get started. Before that, I would just like to remind you all guys that please do go back to my channel if you have not started watching the series yet. Please do go back. There are so many playlists. Whichever playlist you're interested in, just tune into that and start with the first video, okay, so that you can understand the content and the concept better. Okay, now today we'll do the designing, and in the next session we will be doing the blocks. Okay, so yes, let's quickly get started with the design of music player. Okay, so I'm just saying I'm calling this as music player, so let's just music player. Okay, and then we can give background color for this. So I think I'll choose this color. I like it. Okay, and then if you want, you can also add a background picture also. I think I've not shown how to add a background picture, right? So let's just get some music. Let's see what are the images you're gonna get for music. Okay, okay, good. So I think let's just see which one we can use. I want some image which is like vertical, so that it can adjust. All these are horizontal images. Let's check this out. Okay, first I'm just clicking on this. Let's right click on this, copy image address, come back here, let's paste it over here. Okay, cool. So what happens is when you live test this, or I will also show you the preview option. We have preview option here. If you want, you can preview the thing. Ah, this is how it is going to look like. I think this is good, not bad. Yeah, yeah, I'm okay with this. So whatever it is showing here is not the actual thing, okay? Whatever is it showing on the preview, that is the actual thing, which is gonna be the real one, okay? So yeah, let's continue. So on the app, it is just gonna show this kind of a thing, okay? And I think it's good and it's cool, right? So let's continue with this. Now on this music player, you can also set the vertical alignment of the components, right? I hope I will be using space around. Okay. So if anything we have to change, we can change it later. Okay. I don't know. I feel like adding border because there's a black background. If you have a white thing around it, it looks cool, right? I don't want to give any radius, but yeah, I want to add white color solid thing. It doesn't really show, but I like it. Let's just quickly preview this and check. Yeah, yeah, it's good. It's not that bad. It's good. I like it. So let's use it. Let's keep it. And then let's start with adding other components, right? So let's just drag a label and place it on the screen because I just want to show the title. Okay. So that this is going to be title label, and the title is going to be music player. Okay. Font size, let's say 35. And then color, definitely white color. Perfect. And font style, italic. Font weight, bold. Text alignment is not necessary. Yeah, you can add borders. So radius, color. Do you want a gray color? This is good. Yes, and then let's just add padding because like you can see this is coming outside the border, right? And we don't want that to happen. Okay. So on the left and right, I'm just giving 10 pixels padding. Wow. Now you can see on the left and right you have the gap. Okay. So on top and bottom also you can give so 5 pixel padding, not too much and not too less also, right? This is good. Okay. And this is how we wanted it to be. Yeah, we can also go to advanced and we can do the text styling. I think I'll just write C. I think this is good, right? So I'm just keeping this. And then after label, what next we want, right? So we'll just add the image, right? So to show the actually to show the image of the song, right? Whatever song you want to play, you will have some poster for that song, right? To show that poster, we are just adding image component. Okay, so I'm just dragging this and I'm placing it over here. We already know this is going to happen, so I'm just dragging it below this. So on the image, first let's rename this image as poster image, or you can say song poster. Let's go to simple. So we're not giving any source over here. We'll be giving the source while you're coding it. Okay. And then, yeah, we can change width and height. That's absolutely in our hands. So maybe height can be 250, width can be 300, width, or you can say 280, not going very extreme. Right? So cool. And then if you want, you can add borders also. It's all up to you about the borders. So I'm just giving a 3 pixel border. Radius, I'm giving 5. If you want, you can just add more. Light gray border is fine for me. Okay. So yeah, you can also give padding. So padding top 5, bottom 5, left and right also 5, so that it looks like a frame whenever you add the image. Okay, so I think I like this and I'll keep this for now. Then you can also place buttons, right? Based on the alignment you can actually just style it, right? So you will be needing a previous button, next button, right? And then we'll be needing play button and stop button. Okay, so we'll be adding all these 4 buttons. Okay, let's just quickly add buttons for these things. Now, you can either directly add buttons, like they will be placing themselves one below the other, right? So if you don't want that to happen, then you can use rows, right? So I'm just dragging a row. I'll just place it over here, okay? And inside the row, you can add buttons, right? So I'm just placing first button here. Okay, so let's rename this button as previous button. So pref. I'm not giving any text. I will just remove the background color also. Okay, let's choose the background picture. I have a previous.png. This is like next, right? Yeah, this is previous picture. Okay, or you can get icon also. I will just show you. So let's say previous icon. I think I I like this. Maybe something which is transparent also would work, right? Let's say color and transparent, and let's check if you're getting any. Maybe this thing is fine, but I don't know if I can find rightward arrow thing. Okay, for now I'll just get this thing, copy image address, come back to Thunkable, cross this, and you can just use this. Yeah, this is good. This looks good, right? You can adjust the width and height also because it seems very small, right? So I think I'll give absolute size. Absolute size 50 pixels is fine. Width also absolute size 50 is fine. Yeah, cool, right? And then same way, we just need another button also, right? I think I've added it here inside. So I'm just duplicating the button. Okay. So this will be next button. So I'm just renaming this as next button. Next. Okay. And then we can just get the next icon. So let's click on tools, color, transparent. I want something like green color thing. I don't know if I'm gonna get it. Come on. I thought I would be getting it. No. I want green color next icon, so I'll just click on green and check once. Okay, let's see what kind of icon is it. Okay, this is how it is. So can we use this? Is it like that? Okay, I think this is gonna work out. Hmm. Oh, this is not transparent. This is also not transparent. I will be needing something which is transparent. Yeah, I think this should work out. Copy image address. And then we'll just cross this picture. We'll paste this picture. Perfect. I like it. They both are almost similar and yeah, they seem good. Now, so now you have previous button and next button, but you can see they both are trying to be in center then, and you do not have a proper spacing on them, right? So you know how to give proper spacing. If you've not been watching my series, then go back to my channel and see there's a padding and margin spacing video. Okay, just watch that to understand what is margin, what is padding, and how to use them. Okay, I am just giving left margin because on the left of this button I want some gap. So I'm giving 20 pixel margin. This is a nominal gap. Or you can say 30 pixel margin. Maybe 50 pixel. Good. This is good. I like it. Okay. And on the thing you also you can add borders, right? Maybe I will be giving 3 pixel border. Color will be gray because I'm just giving gray borders, right? So I just want it to be matching with the other things, other stuff. Font bold is not necessary, but raised button, maybe we can use that. And width, color, let's give the color as gray color, and let's select the option as solid. Yeah, now they look alike and all the elements are looking alike now, right? And then we can just quickly duplicate this row. This is prev prev next row. Okay, I'm just duplicating this row so that I'm getting another row here, right? And let's rename this as this is not prev next row. Instead, this is play stop row. Okay, inside this we'll be having play button and stop button. Okay, so I'll just quickly rename this and I will just write play button. Okay, and the next one would be So this would be stop button, stop button. Okay. Now let's go here and let's search for play icon. Maybe we need something in green. So let's see which one suits. I do not find any similar kind of icon which we have on the screen. But yeah, it's not mandatory to use the same thing. Let's just search for transparent thing. Maybe yeah. Okay, we can use this. Copy image address. And this is going to be play button. So let's just put the thing over here. Okay. Control V. Whoa, got it. Then we need stop icon also. So I'm just saying stop icon. Okay, this is going to be red. No problem. Stop, stop. So let's get something like this maybe. Yeah, I think this works. So we can just place it over here, cross this image, paste the image. Okay, cool. Right. Now we have all the things in place, right? So we have all the features ready. And if you want, you can also add a label, right? So that on the label, you'll be showing whatever song title is and all, right? So I'll just add a label just below the poster image. So you can just say title, song title label. For now, it will be empty. Font size will be 20. Color will be white. And font style will be italic. Font weight will be 600. And text alignment center. We can give borders also. So let's give, I think I'll give 3 pixel border, 4 pixel radius. This will be a gray border, solid border. I think perfect. Now, so now we have everything, and you also need to add a sound component so that like we should need a sound component for playing some sound, right? That's how we are just doing this thing. Okay, so I think we have successfully completed the app. If you want, you can also add a logo. Okay, so to add a logo, what shall we do is here we'll be adding a row. So I'll just add a row. Okay, just above the title label I want to add this row. Okay, and I'll just add my title label into the row. I'll rename this row as header row. Okay, header row, right? And then now you can add image inside this. So I'm just dragging a image, placing it inside the thing. Okay, this will be logo. So logo image. Let's just get some music logos. Okay, good. We have so many here. I think it's very simple and seems interesting for me. Yeah, it has nothing, and we can actually get this one. So I'm just copying the image address and I'm just pasting the link over here. Wow, it looks good. But yeah, it is very big in size, right? I'm just changing the size as 80 and 80. I think this works. Okay. And let's give some left margin. Left margin maybe 10 pixels I'm giving, so that it really doesn't, go on to the very left, right? On the left edge, it should not stick itself. We can give borders also. Let's give 3 pixel border. Radius, I will be giving 40 because I want a circular logo. Okay. And we can give for gray border. Yeah, this seems good. If you give 2 pixel thing, top, bottom paddings, left and right paddings, then it looks like a frame. Now, perfect, right? This is looking good now. And on the label, on the title label, I'm just giving some left margin also so that you have some gap there. Okay. So let's give 10 pixel margin on the left of the label. Okay. So this should look good now. Let's see how is it like on the screen when you are previewing it. Okay. It looks good. I think it's nice, right? But I think I will just click on the music player screen, and let's change the vertical alignment as top. Okay. Now let's live test this and check what happens. I think it did not get applied. I will live test it again and check. Okay. Vertical alignment top is doing something like this. Okay. And why are you not having any image or the label thing is because we have not yet given any source, right? Source image or the on the label, whatever we have to show, we did not show something like that. That's why you can't see. Okay. Once you show the image and the label, again, these elements will try to adjust themselves. Okay. So you need not worry about that, right? So this is all about the design. Okay. And for now, I'll just place some dummy image on the label so that we can see how does that look, right? So I'll just give the same thing. Okay. So and on this label here, song title label. So I'm just writing song title. Okay. So yeah, this is now the actual thing. Yes, this is how your music player is gonna look like. Okay. And you can see that on the image and the label, they do not have a proper spacing. So on the label, I'll just give top margin. So top margin as 15 pixels so that you have some appropriate gap. Even in the bottom, I will add 15 pixel margin so that it has the proper gaps. Yeah, yeah, it looks good. See, we have the title, we have logo, and we have this song title. We have all the buttons aligned. Perfect, right? It looks good. They seem good now, right? After adding the image, now it looks like something like a music player app, right? It seems cool. On the image, I think I'll just give some padding on the image. I think we gave the padding, right? Okay. It's not seen or visible. I will write 10 pixel padding. Okay. Let's see if this works out. On the logo also, 2 pixel padding is not working out. I think I will write 5 pixel padding. Okay. So let's live test this. Let's close this. Live test it again. I'm just doing this because we have to see the actual result, right? The result is not seen on this, but most probably you should be seeing that on the padding space when you're executing this on a mobile phone. Okay. So this was all about our today's session, however, right? In the next session, we'll see how to code this app. Okay. I hope you all enjoyed this session very much. And so on the song title label also, I'm just going to give some left padding and right padding so that you have some gap there, right? Top padding 2 pixels, bottom padding 2 pixels. This is going to work out, right? Cool. This is all about our app, right? The design of the app. And in the next session, we'll see how to code that music player app. Okay. All right, guys. So till then, I'll be taking your leave now. So you know what you have to do. You just have to go back to my channel and watch all the things in the playlist, right? Start with the videos, okay? Start with the first video if you've not started, right? So, and I'll be meeting you all in the next session. Thank you so much for watching this video. And yeah, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, folks. Until then, bye bye, guys. Have a great day, all.